Hello children, good morning everyone. Once again, this is your social science teacher as well as your class teacher. Jasveer Kaur ma'am is here to teach you, to revise you your chapter number 1 of geography, as we have completed our syllabus first mid-term. So I thought that we must revise since the beginning the things once again we must revise. So keeping that in mind, I am going to give you some map questions intentionally. So you have to take your map accordingly and locate the things there, and locate the things there as soon as I tell you about these things. Okay, ready? Hopefully everybody is ready with your pen, pencil, map, and it is very great opportunity for you people that you may pause the video and collect your material, then again start. When I speak first question, mark the things, get it mark on your own map book or whatever atlas book you have or loose map you have, and preferably you have to use your atlas book here, right? So I'm giving you this exercise questions from your book that is very very important from examination point of view as well as for your further competitive exams. So please do take care, and the method I told you, you listen to me, I will mark here and accordingly you will mark the things there. The question is that you have to identify the following with the help of map reading. Okay, the first question is there. The island group of India laying in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. First you have to see that this is Bay of Bengal and this is island group. You may recognize that these are Andaman Nicobar island group. Then you have to recognize this is Arabian Sea. Then you have to recognize Lakshadweep Islands. Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands. So it means to say island groups of India laying in Arabian Sea is Andaman Nicobar and Bay of Bengal is Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands और Bay of Bengal के southern side में है, upper side में Daman Diu is also there, and that is our union territory. So in this way, dear children, you have located two places. Now I am going to read your question number 2. The countries constituting Indian subcontinent and the countries constituting India subcontinent. First you go to this Pakistan, right? First you have to go to this Pakistan. Then you have to go Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka is also there. India's neighboring countries may constitute Indian subcontinent, the countries. Then you have to see second part of it is here only Pakistan. Okay, कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिंग इंडिया सब कॉन्टिनेंट पाकिस्तान ही था और इसमें अफ़गानिस्तान शो नहीं किया होगा. श्रीलंका you will do in neighboring country, not in this. Then I'm going to read your question number 3. The states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. The states through which Tropic of Cancer passes, and you have to see that Gujarat. See on this second map, I'm telling you. Here it's Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. This is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and this is West Bengal, Tripura, Meghalaya. Tripura and Mizoram, not Meghalaya, sorry. Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. राजस्थान के बिल्कुल सदर्न पार्ट में है, बिल्कुल हल्का सा टच कर रहा है वहाँ पे. यू हैव टू सी. सॉरी, देयर इज़ वन फोन कॉल. हाँ, इन दिस वे so in this way, dear children, and this topic of cancer, question number 3rd, passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Tripura and Mizoram, these are the 3 major states from which this tropic of cancer passes. Now my question number 4th is there, northernmost latitude in degrees. Northernmost latitude in degrees, that is here, right? That is here 37 degree 6, 37.6 degree northernmost, right? And that latitude of India. Then the southern latitude of Indian mainland in degree, that is here 8.4 degree, right? That is mainland. If it is asked island, that is Indira Point is there in Andaman Nicobar Island. Please do take care about. Then our question number 5th, that is southernmost latitude of Indian mainland in degrees. Do take care, mainland is there 8.4 degree. If it is asked island, then here it is Indira Point, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands. And then 6th, the eastern and the westernmost longitude in degree. Eastern and the westernmost longitude in degree. If we see easternmost, that is, wait once, it is here in the eastern states, it westernmost here in Gujarat. So easternmost is our degree 97 point something, 97 point something, that is eastern. And here also you have to write 68.7 degree eastern, because it is in the eastern part of the world, but on Indian side it is the western part. Please do take care. Then our next question is ईस्टर्न वेस्टर्न हो गया, सदर्न मोस्ट हो गया. ईस्टर्न वेस्टर्न हमारा लॉन्जिट्यूड है. प्लीज़ टेक केयर. नॉर्दर्न सदर्न, दैट इज़ लैटिट्यूड. देन 7th, द प्लेस सिचुएटेड ऑन 3 seas, that is also southern part, that is Kanyakumari. If we talk about 3 seas, on the one side it is Bay of Bengal, other side there is Arabian Sea, and overall down southern side there is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. तो 3 seas के पॉइंट पे जो प्लेस है, दैट इज़ कन्याकुमारी, सदर्न मोस्ट टिप. Then our question number 8th, the strait separating Sri Lanka from India. Strait, it is a path, this one, right? So this path is known as Palk Strait. It is Palk Strait, PALK STRAIT, Palk Strait. Then my question number 9th is there, Union Territories of India. You have to identify Union Territory of India. First you may go here, Chandigarh, right? Then Delhi. Then you have to go 9, Dadra Nagar Haveli. Then 4th one, Daman and Diu. Then 5th one, Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu. Then you have to go Pondicherry. Then you have to go first Chandigarh, Delhi, okay, second Delhi, third is Pondicherry, ठीक है, fourth is Dadra Nagar Haveli, then Daman and Diu, then Andaman Nicobar Islands, ठीक है, and Lakshadweep Islands, Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Islands and Pondicherry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 union territories now, and one more is there nowadays, that is Ladakh. Okay, Ladakh, and that created in previous year only. You have to take care for this, and for that one more, two more questions are there related to your this map. Neighboring country lying in Arabian Sea. Our neighboring country lying in Arabian Sea. So you may see that Arabian Sea is in this side, and you see that which country is there, right? Island country is there, that is Maldives. ठीक है, यहाँ बिल्कुल सदन में है Maldives island country. तो then my next exercise question is Myanmar. Myanmar is this one, right? This country, there, this white one. This is Myanmar. Its old name was Burma. BURMA. बर्मा. इसके बारे में बहुत एक फेमस सॉन्ग है, मेरे पिया गए रंगून वहाँ से लाई है टेलीफोन, राइट? सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू दिस आइलैंड कंट्री. देन माई लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर, एन इंडियन स्टेट शेयरिंग इट्स बॉर्डर विद चाइना. इंडियन स्टेट दैट इज़ उत्तराखंड, ठीक है, एंड दिस सिक्किम, उत्तराखंड, these are sharing its border area with China. So in this way, dear children, this is all about today for your math work. You have to do this work in your atlas, right, as well as on loose maps in your portfolio work. In your portfolio, very very important. I am writing here in your homework section also, so that you may take care and you have to locate it for your portfolio. Thank you. Bye students.